we've been celebrating hard behind the scenes your wins. I think you like started playing and then you got to $2,000 or $3,000 per day. And I think David now is saying like, I'm going to get to 5K a day. I just want to kind of hear, because I think you'll have a lot of wisdom and experience to share, because you've probably made some mistakes working your way up to that.
Between the collections, the fees that I collected $15,000.
$15,000. Got it.
Yeah, I started this when I came back from Peru on December 18, 20, something like that.
Yeah.
So far until today, I may gain like $20,000 in the positions that I get out.
Yeah.
I am right now in some positions that I'm making $1,000, $1,200 a day. And without Solana, with Solana, I'm making like, because it's back and forth, like $400 or $500 a day. So that means I still in Solana, so I'm making between $1,200, close to $2,000 a day.
Yeah, so nice.
Yeah,
what do you think is if because you took this super seriously? I don't think many people like you, when you jumped. Like, what made you like, what opportunity did you see that maybe a lot of people don't see? Like, what made you take this so seriously?
The first thing that I always ask myself is questions. The question that you ask, the quality of the questions that you ask, as Tony Robbins says, is the answers that you can get. How can I get money? My question was, how can I get money from my crypto without having to sell it? So then I was searching. You came out along, you know?
Yes.
You came out along and said, oh, this is the solution for my question.
What about mindset? Because I think like you jumped and you,
oh man,
like you take it seriously. Why does it, like, what can any advice on mindset when it comes to liquidity pools and all that?
The best advice is invest in yourself. I invest a lot of money in myself.
Yes.
You know, I don't have a problem with that to pay coaching. Some of them are lousy, some of them are good. And you work in that. Work in your mind with the positive things that you want to work in your mind. Thank you for everything that you have.
Yes.
First of all. And thank you for the things that you don't have yet.
Yes. I know you're a big
I
big
told you,
fan
remember
of,
I was telling you, I wanted to get another session of coaching because I went to Joe Dispenza seminar, and that was a very good. And as I told you, don't look excuses. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
You had some crazy experiences, because I had some crazy stuff. You had some good experiences.
Different. Yeah, it was very good. It was very good. So one of the things is that he says, and also is very true, is you cannot think in the past trying to build your future. So leave the past aside and build your future, you know, so focus on the future more than anything else. And that's what I work on. That's meditation helps. I used to meditate like 30 minutes a day, usually every time in the morning. And now I'm meditating around 2 hours a day, you know?
It's just again, I'll just say congrats on the wins. I think it'll inspire people just even hearing your mindset. You've taken this so seriously, and David was just like, you got to talk to Jose because he's killing the game. And I think honestly, I feel like you're just getting started. I think that
with your mindset, getting started, definitely. And I'm learning, and I need to take track better. I'm learning about impermanent loss more, and also winning, shorting, those kind of stuff.
Nice.
I start making most of my positions are over 100% return according to these things, you know?
Yep.
And I keep some of them for 5 days, 7 days, some of them 2 days, 3 days, but I make at least $400, $500 into a position, you know?
Yes. So good.
Yeah.
You'll like the pro group. We have our pro group coming out here in the next few weeks. And in the pro group, Maddie and David are going to be sharing really advanced strategies when it comes to portfolio management, tracking, some really cool strategies. I think you're going to enjoy that, because I think you're always looking to level up. So your best piece of advice to someone who's trying to master or move into this whole crypto DeFi yield farming thing, Jose's best piece of advice?
Don't be scared. So this is the thing, more people is scared about this thing, you know? So if you're scared, you know you're not gonna move. Remember this. In life, the thing that you are scared about it, that's gonna happen to you.
Yes.
Because you're so focused on that.
Yes.
Okay, don't focusing against the scarcity, so be more certain or be more focused on whatever you want to reach, and visualize more the things that you want to reach. When you remember when you've made me fill it out the form. I said I was very sure, too secure. I want to do at least $1,000 a day.
Right.
Boom, I wrote it down. When I got an interview, yes, with Collins. Yes, I want to do $1,000 a day. That's what I want to do. I mean, I was sure that I'm going to make $1,000 a day.
Yes.
Now I got another focus, but I came with a focus.
Yes.
I enrolled to your program because I want to do $1,000 a day, at least.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you're double that now. So
yeah, I'm doubling now. So
good.
So yeah.
Jose, thank you, and love your energy, your enthusiasm. I'd love